Windows versus Mac OS for programming and coding. When it comes to programming and coding, one important decision every student, beginner, or developer has to make is choosing the right operating system. Two popular options stand out: Windows and Mac OS. Both are widely used in the tech world, but they are designed differently and support developers in different ways. Let's look at how each one performs in real-life coding situations. Windows for programming. Windows is one of the most commonly used operating systems for programming, especially among beginners and students. It supports a wide range of programming languages, such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Tools like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and other IDEs work smoothly on Windows, making it easy to write, run, and test code. Windows Coding Workflow. On this screen, you can see a real coding workflow in action. Code is written in Visual Studio Code, executed in the terminal, and the output is tested in a web browser. Switching between applications is fast and practical, which helps developers stay productive. Windows is also a great option for software development, enterprise systems, and even game development. Mac OS for programming. Mac OS is very popular among web developers and mobile app developers. It is built on a Unix-based system, which makes working with command line tools, servers, and development environments feel natural and efficient. Many developers enjoy Mac OS because of its stability, clean interface, and smooth performance. Mac OS Coding Workflow. Here, you can see a realistic Mac OS coding setup. Developers can easily switch between Visual Studio Code, the terminal, and the browser while testing their projects. This smooth workflow makes Mac OS a strong choice for web development and back-end programming. iOS and macOS app development. One important advantage of macOS is mobile app development for Apple devices. If you want to build iPhone, iPad, or macOS applications, macOS is required. Xcode, Apple's official development tool, only runs on macOS. Performance and multitasking. Both Windows and macOS handle multitasking well. Performance is best judged by how quickly applications open, how smoothly code runs, and how easily developers can move between tasks. Here, performance is shown through real workflow speed, not special effects or animations. Who should choose what? Choose Windows if you want flexibility, affordability, and support for many types of development. Choose Mac OS if you focus on web development, mobile app development, or prefer a Unix-based system with a clean workflow. Our system is the one that helps you learn, build, and grow as a developer. Your skills, consistency, and practice matter more than the operating system you use.